Hey guys, it's me, Collecting Cards 22, and I have a Topps Baseball Series 1 hanger box break. So, got this at Target for about $10. Here we go. Started off with Dustin Pedroia, Freddie Freeman, Andre Ethier, CC Sabathia, Edinson Volquez, Felix Hernandez, Gordon Beckham, Vicente, I don't know how to pronounce that name, Kyle Farnsworth, Jared Parker, Giovanni Soto, Matt Holliday, Angel Pagan. Ooh, that's nice. Mike Trout, Chase Utley, Zach Cozart. Here's a green Ryan Zimmerman. Chasing History Roy Halladay. Casey Kelly for the Chasing the Dream. Ooh, that's nice. It's a Ryne Sandberg die cut. Yeah, that looks really nice. See if you can. It doesn't want to really focus for me that well. Okay, we have a 19 73 mini. Michael Young, David Hernandez, Jake Arrieta, Jason Hayward, Daisuke, Matt Suzuka, Jason Kipnis, Jordan Pacheco, Bronson Arroyo, Craig Breslow, Casey Kochman, Doug Fister, Felipe Polino, Wilson Ramos, Henry Rodriguez, Shelby Miller, Nick Marone, I don't know, Casey Kelly, Andy Petite, J.J. Putz, Curtis Granderson, Ryan Braun, Max Scherzer, Kevin Youkilis, Jason Bay, Chris Coghlan, Jeremy Guthrie, Roman Santiago, Michael Brantley, Cabrera Hamilton Granderson card, Michael Morse, San Francisco Giants, Cabrera Trout Beltre, $1 Million Chase. Ooh, Yu Darvish, Tim Lincecum, Cliff Lee, Ivan Nova, Daniel Murphy, Alex Gonzalez, Austin Kearns, Scott Feldman, Roy Halladay, another Roy Halladay. These cards look really nice. Mike Olt, I don't know how to pronounce that. Dylan Bundy. Oh, a Chasing History Hank Aaron. Chasing History Sandy Koufax. Jackie Robinson. That's a pretty nice card. And Carlos Santana. So overall, it was a pretty nice break, but didn't really get any relics or autographs, so I guess see you next time.